Ibiza, it's just like England with sun.
There's lots of English people having English fun. If you don't leave home much, this is the place to be.
We'll dance to bullshit DJs playing bullshit beats.
No better way to sunbathe with the KFC. No need for rubbish bins, just throw it in the sea.
I thought I'd live a little, try some new foods, but
I was relieved to find they got a Pizza Hut.
I was relieved to find they got a Pizza Hut. Pizza in Ibiza, picking the cheese out of your teeth, feeling the sand under your feet, eating a lovely margarita. Pizza in Ibiza, watching the waves wash up a sheet, feeling the bass and drums control me, eating a lovely pepperoni.
You try more than the mosquitoes. The cheapest drink you'll find, only 14 €.
The city's packed with beauties, always underdressed.
You better bring your own baps, cause it's a sausage fest. We buying drugs and taking them in clubs. Oh shit, we just bought aspirin, we really feel like mugs.
We in the VIP with bottled vodka and tequila, but can't afford the entry fee, our table's on the beach.
Not like we knew you're from England without you waving a flag.
What happens here in Beefer stays in Beefer until you're tagged. Hey, your girlfriend sees you riding on a stripper snorting blow.
When she dumps you, you think fuck her, cause she can't take a joke.